135. Have you done algebra tiles before? Good. We're not doing them this year. So you can cross out the first two pages. We're going to 137. I hate algebra tiles. All right. Okay. So page 137. Who's heard of the distributive property? Yay. All right. I think you've done this before. So if you have a number outside of a set of brackets, okay, what operation is this? What does this mean? What does this mean, I guess, is what I'm saying. Yeah, it means 2 times the whole bracket. And if it's 2 times the whole bracket, that means 2 has to go to the x and the 1. So if you want, one of my grade 12s called this rainbowing. I don't know why. But basically, you multiply it to both, right? So what's 2 times x? 2x. What's 2 times 1? You're done. That's it. Okay? If you have a negative number outside, the negative gets dumped in. Negative 3 times x is? Negative 3 times negative 1 is? Positive 3. That's the only trick here. Watch your signs. A negative times a negative is a positive. So this becomes negative 3x plus 1. You can have variables on the outside. So I can take this variable and multiply it in. Now, if you multiply an x and an x, what do you do with the exponents? And I would point at the board, but I erased them all this morning. What do you do with the exponents? So I know what the answer is. You add the exponents together, right? So if you go x times x, the exponent is, here we can zoom right in on this. That's x to the 1 and x to the 1. You add the exponents to get x squared. X times 3 is just 3x. Sometimes they will try to trick you and flip the order. X minus 1 times 2x. Don't get tricked. It's all of this. It's all of this bracket times each of these. So what is 2x times x? What number's in front of this x here? A 1. So what's 2 times 1 is? 2 times 1. 2 times 1. X times x is? So you get x squared. So it's 2x squared. 2x times negative 1. Negative 2x. You only add the exponents. You multiply. All right. Let's move down here. I'm not doing that. Okay. We're going to do these 4, and then we'll do some practice. Okay. 4 gets multiplied in. What's 4 times 3x? 12x. 4 times 1. So it's 12x plus 4. If there's 3 terms, you multiply the number in front or whatever's in front by all 3. So it's boom, boom, boom. It's a negative out front, so watch your signs. Negative 5 times 2. Negative 10. The x squared tags along. Negative 5 times x. Negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 6. Plus 30. That's it. Okay. Let's do C. We got this weird number out front. Or, sorry, x squared. The x squared goes to everything as well. What's x squared times x cubed? X to the what, sorry? 5. You add the exponents. X squared times negative 2. Negative 2 x squared. Last one, negative 3x times all this. So, be careful with the signs. Negative 3 times 7. Negative 21. X times x is x squared because you add the exponents on that. So the first term is negative 21x squared. Then it's negative 3x times negative 2y. Do the numbers first. Negative 3 times negative 2. Can you multiply x and y together? No, so you just write x times y, xy. That's all you write. You can't do anything to simplify that. And what is the last one when you multiply it by z? Negative 3xz. Cool. Is that okay? Is that a review? Did you do that last year? Okay, a little bit anyway. I would like you to do. You know what? Let's keep going. I want to do these ones. I'll do these 3 and then we're done. Here we go. Yeah, okay, here we go. Should I save this till tomorrow? I think I want to save it till tomorrow. Okay, here's what you're doing. You're doing number 4. (5a). All of 4. You're doing all of 4. I know. So many questions. 4 and 5a, please.